Welcome! In today's tutorial, we will learn how to attach documents to your email using Gmail, both on your computer and on your mobile device. Let's get started. First, let's start with Gmail on your computer. Open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Click the Compose button at the top left corner. Enter the recipient's email address and the subject of your message. To attach a document, click the paperclip icon at the bottom of the Compose window. Browse and select the document you want to attach from your computer. Once the document is attached, you'll see it at the bottom of your email. Finish by writing a message to accompany your email, and now click Send. And that's it. You have successfully attached a document using Gmail on your computer. Now, let's see how to do the same on your mobile device. Open the Gmail app on your phone. Tap the Compose button at the bottom right corner. Enter the recipient's email address and the subject of your message. To attach a document, tap the paperclip icon at the top right. Browse and select the document you want to attach from your device. You can select multiple documents at once. Once the document is attached, you'll see it at the bottom of your email. Now, hit Send. And there you go. You have successfully attached a document in Gmail on your mobile device. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this video useful. If so, please remember to drop us a like and follow us to stay tuned for more tutorials.